4 easy ways to relief from headaches. Having a headache is annoying and sometimes difficult for us to avoid. Mostly when we are under pressure, a headache appears automatically. If it gets worse, we might faint due to the pain we feel. A headache is a condition of mild to severe pain in the head. It can also attack at our upper back or neck. There are different types of headache, but most of the time, a headache is brought on by stress, too long in front of computer, noise and others. One of the main causes of headache is tension in the muscles of the neck, scalp and jaw. We usually deal with it by taking some sleep or consume over-the-counter aspirin to release our pain. However, can we do this any place or any time? Obviously, we cannot sleep at the office or at the mall. In addition, we might run out of aspirin when a headache strikes us. Do not worry. The easiest way to handle a headache and do it everywhere is through massage. Massage is the practice of applying pressure or vibration to the soft tissues of the body, to heal injury, relieve psychological stress, manage pain, improve circulation and relieve tension. When we suffer from a headache, we can help ourselves with self-massage. Simple, and everybody can do it, either at work or at home. Here are 4 easy ways in massage to heal our headache. 1. Eyes area massage. Close your eyes. Place your middle fingers to your eyes that are above cheekbones. Massage that area gently but firmly in circular motion for 1 minute. 2. Eyes to nose massage. Using thumb, go along the underside of eyebrows, along the bone on top of eye socket. Feel where this bone meets the bridge of your nose and eyes, and find a point where there is a small indentation. With very gentle pressure, press your thumbs into the points. You can do it 4 times by holding and press that area for 10 seconds in each press. 3. Neck massage. Massage a point where you can feel it by moving the middle fingers of your hands to the back of your head, and feel the base of your skull. Especially, at the tops of your neck that meets the base of your skull. Massage for a minute using fingertips gentle in circular movement. 4. Scalp massage. Let your palms of your hands massage your scalp on the top of your skull for a minute gently. Once you have done all those massages, start taking a deep breath. Lift your shoulders towards your ears for 5 to 10 seconds to relieve remaining pain, and then let them drop back down into their natural position. You are going to feel better when you can do that for a couple of times. Your massage will relieve you from your headache and your head will feel less weighty. This video has been produced in Content Samurai. It's free to try for 7 days. It's up to you now. Click the link below to take it for a spin.